So it's the first week of the month again, and it's time for another net worth update video. And this one is the 5th update on my series. So let's look at how far I've progressed or how far I've grown my net worth in August. But before we begin, I just want to say welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos. And currently I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds, or just want to show your support, then please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the main thing because my laptop is right here, so let's jump into it. For my recent net worth update video, I actually did 2 of that one. It was 4 and then 4.5 because I initially screwed that up. I screwed up my numbers. I thought that I had a net worth of around 9,500, but when I actually looked at it even closer, I realized that I actually had $11,400 of net worth, which is a whopping increase of $4,000 compared to last month, which was June. Now, of course, if you want to watch how I screwed that up and how stupid the mistake was, then I'm going to link the video right over here so that you can see it as well. But anyway, for August, I'm really happy with the numbers for a couple of reasons that I'm gonna go over in this video. But anyway, all the numbers here are logged in as of August 31 at 5 p.m. So here we are on the spreadsheet. We have our assets right here. We have our checkings and savings under the assets, and then we got our investments right over here. But anyway guys, let's go first to the assets. I got 1, 2, and 3. It's pretty much the same thing with last time. I got 1, which is for Wells Fargo, checkings 2, which is my Chase, and then checkings 3, which is my PayPal. For checkings 1, I have $1,093.94. Not a lot of big changes from last month, which is probably just like $100 in gain, but you know what, that's just how it is because it is kind of like the cash or my wallet, so I constantly use it. Anyway, for checkings number 2, which is Chase, I have $1,149.22. There has been a decline on this account compared to previous months because I've been using this one constantly throughout August. But anyway, for checkings number 3 right here for PayPal, it grew for like about $500. That's $1,793.24, which is a very good, number to actually have, since a lot of my revenue actually goes into this account and I just spread them over to my personal one and to my business accounts. So there you go, $1,793.24 for PayPal, which is checkings number 3. And in total, my checkings as of August is $4,036.40, which is not a bad increase, 700, because I really want to try to make sure that all my cash positions or cash wallets, or I don't know how you want to call it, or liquid cash, let's just say, is increasing every month. And that's why I actually like these numbers. It's increasing compared to last month. But anyway guys, let's go over to my savings right here. My savings right now, I have 4, still the same 4. I got Ally Bank number 1, number 2, and then Yoda Savings, and then Wealthfront. Now for Ally Bank number 1, we have $8,123.16. And then for Ally Bank number 2, which is my personal savings, this is $2,598.73. And then the next one, Yoda right here, which is another personal savings account, it's at $1,913.09. And lastly, for my Wealthfront right here, which is my sinking fund, we have $701.05. So for my tax money account right here at Ally, it only grew around $250 because I totally forgot to add $800 in here, so that's why it's very, very small. But you know what, that's totally okay with me because with the way I've been saving up money for my taxes, I feel like I've been saving too much, but I will continue doing it on September, so that will take care of everything. Anyway, going back to my personal savings right here, I still consistently do $100 every month on my personal savings, so that's what you see here on Ally Bank. Now for Yoda, I have $1,913.09. It's actually a tremendous increase compared to last month. I normally just put $100 on my personal savings, but then again, I had an extra amount of money, and let me explain where that money came from. So before the month ended, I received a refund for my airline ticket back in January this year, and that ticket cost us $950. So luckily, I was able to get that one, even though it was sort of late because of the pandemic and all that stuff. A lot of the airlines are having troubles with processing payments, processing refunds, and all that stuff. So it took a long time for them to actually give it back to me, but I'm actually really blessed that they gave it back to me because I know when I was looking at some reviews and their refund policy on tickets, it's crazy. Some of them actually took more than a year for them to actually get a refund. Some of them didn't get any refunds at all. So I'm just really blessed that I got mine just in time. So there you go. I got like $950 on that one. And so for Yoda, out of that $950, I took $200 and added it to my savings right here. So $200 plus the $100 that I do every month, that's $300, and that's why you see this big of change here for the month of August. Now moving on to Wealthfront right here for my sinking fund, I also took a portion from that refund and put it into my sinking fund right here. I actually added $250, and all of it is just gonna go straight to my Hawaii travel fund because I really need to get that travel fund to at least $750 minimum and $1,000 maximum, you know. But that's pretty much it for my entire savings right here. My total savings for the month of August is around $13,336.03. Now let's go over to my investment accounts. Now for the month of August, it's actually pretty crazy because I added a new one right here, which is Cake DeFi. Now, but first let's go over to Webull right here. We have $7,388 and 24 cents for Webull, and for TD Ameritrade we have $1,283.62, Coinbase at $1,214.52, BlockFi with $474.44. Then we have Public right here at $119.26. And then lastly, we have the new one, which is Cake DeFi at $334.28. So explaining a little bit on the numbers right here for Webull, I still contribute like $100 every month over here. Now, if you actually look over here, that's not a lot of change as well. The gain is only around less than $100. Basically, my portfolio lost a little bit of value from that one. That is pretty much the consequences and the risk that you're gonna have to take whenever you're dealing with the stock market. Moving on with TD Ameritrade, I still continue to contribute $100 into this account. This is my Roth IRA. And then for Coinbase right here, and it's gone down to the levels of 1200 because I did a lot of things here. I think I took out like at least $300 for Cake DeFi, and at that point, you know, like Bitcoin was nearing 50,000, so that's why I got more value. And then when I invested in Cake DeFi for around $300, then there you go, it rose up in value. So pretty amazing, right? But anyway, BlockFi, I'm not doing a lot of things with BlockFi. It's more on the price appreciation as to why it actually grows this fast or this big in just a couple of months. You know, it's entirely based on the interest rates that BlockFi provides. But I think for BlockFi, I only earn around $2 to $3 every month, which is totally not bad. You know, even though it's very small, you know, I'm letting my money work for me with in terms of my crypto investments right here. But anyway, going to Public right here, I'm not adding anything to Public at all. This increase right here is just totally from price appreciation. And then for Cake DeFi right here, like I said earlier, I invested around $300. And what I do in Cake DeFi is really just do some staking and some liquidity mining, and they give me updates every week. So I think I get like around $3 to $4 every week from Cake DeFi, which is pretty amazing. You know, I'm actually not doing anything else, and my crypto assets are doing the work for me and they're giving me returns. But anyway, total investments right here is $10,814.36. And guys, if you are very interested in starting your own cryptocurrency portfolio, then definitely check out Coinbase and BlockFi and then Cake DeFi. I will leave links in the description below so that you can check them out and get rewarded as well as a sign-up bonus. But anyway, total assets for August is $28,186.79, which is an increase of $2,153.57, which is an 8.27% increase compared to July. So that is pretty much my total assets for August. It's definitely a little bit disappointing because it's $1,000 less compared to what I got from July, but that is totally reasonable because I did spend a lot more in August because I had more business expenses and I had to cover some personal expenses as well here at home. Anyway guys, let's move over to my liability section right here. For the month of August, I still have 3 credit cards right here and then 3 student loans. And there you go. For Wells Fargo, we have zero for Wells Fargo. And I'm gonna explain how that happened. And then Discover, I have $9.95. And then for Chase Freedom Unlimited, I have $1,485.83. Now, for Wells Fargo, it's now 0 because I was able to transfer it successfully to Chase Freedom Unlimited. And then for Discover, I only have $9.95 here. Even though the amount actually increased a little bit, that's just the nature of it because it is a credit card. I actually use this one constantly as well in combination with the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Now for my Chase Freedom Unlimited here, I was able to transfer this amount to this one, and then I had to pay like a $40 fee for the balance transfer. And Of course, I've been using this constantly just so that I can hit the sign up bonus criteria, and which I did actually. So a lot of extra money came in just because of that one as well, the airline ticket refund and also the sign up bonus from Chase. It's still up because I still have some bills that I didn't actually pay, and I'm taking advantage of that is because it's 0% right now. But of course, I want to make it a habit that once the transaction has been posted online, then I would actually make the payment so that it won't, linger in my thoughts anymore. But anyway, for the total credit cards, we have $1,495.78. Totally not bad amount. But anyway, let's move on to my student loans right here. We have Sallie Mae, we have College Avenue, and then Ed Financial. For Sallie Mae, it's totally gone now. But for College Avenue, this is one of the biggest changes as well, because from $1,828.34 from last month, the beginning of the month, now it's down to $275.89. A very big change, and I'm going to explain how that happened in my student loan update video so you can grasp the entire progress of this student loan. But I'm not gonna go more into detail. I'm gonna reserve that one for that video. But anyway, for Ed Financial, it still sits at $11,343.14. No changes here because we are in the payment pause still, and it's gonna extend till January. So you know what, might as well copy this right here. Let's go over here. I'm gonna copy this one till the very end right here, because I'm not gonna be paying this one for now. So there we go. Obviously, once my College Avenue has been paid off, then I'm gonna start paying my Ed Financial as well. So, but you know what, we can expect that it's not gonna change at all right now. There's not really nothing to talk about Ed Financial right now aside from the payment pause. So there you go, $11,343.14. In total, my student loans is $11,619.03, which is totally not bad. But anyway, let's go over to my total liabilities for the month of August. Here we are, $13,114.81, which is a change of $1,491.19. That is a 10.21% decrease compared to last month. So it's really big, and I can attribute this big decline from my student loans, decreasing as well. So there you go, guys. Like I said, watch out for that next video for my student loans, because you'll be amazed at how much the change and how everything actually happened. But you know what, stay tuned. But anyway, here's the moment you've been waiting for my total net worth for the month of August. There we go. We have $15,071.98, which is a change of $3,644.76. That is a 31.90% increase compared to last month. So that is my new net worth right now. So if I compare August to July, the numbers aren't totally that bad. Even though it's a lot lower compared to July, it's totally okay, because still I am growing my net worth every month, and that is what really matters. And one thing that I actually noticed is that once I keep growing my net worth, obviously this number is going to increase. This net worth change right here, this row, might actually, go on a sideways movement, but the net worth change in percentage, or the rate, is going to decrease every month because my income is going to hit a limit. And I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but the math right there is that this one is going to completely go lower and lower and lower, probably like 10% every month. So that's like what? So by the next month, probably around 20%, maybe even 25%. I don't know, because the money that keeps coming in is almost constant, but my expenses is basically the variable here. So there's like that gap, or that difference, that's going to really affect my the rate change. So, but you know what, it's a very minor thing anyway, so it doesn't really matter in the long term, because what matters here is the raw numbers that I get on my net worth. So as long as this number right here, this row 49, increases, then I'm totally okay. So just to recap, my net worth for the month of August 2021 is $15,071.98, which is an increase of $3,644.76 compared to last month, July. That is a 31.90% increase. So per my estimates last month, the numbers for August are a little bit lower than what it's supposed to be because of the dip in my income. Then I had more expenses for this month, and I was just luckily saved by my airline ticket refund and the Chase sign up bonus. I've also mentioned in that previous update that August was going to be a month of experimentation for me, and that's what I actually did. I experimented with a lot of ways concerning passive income, and that's how I decided to start Cake Tea DeFi and also do some other passive income mini hustles, which may not reward me anytime soon, but that is totally okay with me. I'm not expecting any reward soon from these mini hustles because they're very small. You don't really need like huge investment or even time commitment from these things, so you can expect that the reward as well will not be very big. But the point here is that I got them started and it's a lot easier for me to actually do them rather than create my Etsy store, which may take some time and also some money commitment as well. But anyway, I'm gonna keep doing this for the month of September, create mini hustles, try to spend less money, save more money, and also increase my cash flow so that I can hit my goals before the year end. That is all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the entire video, and if you got to the very end, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video. Now, if you got any value from this one, then definitely do those things because that will help this channel grow tremendously. And also guys, I am on Instagram at DailyDread. Please add me there as a friend so that we can chat, collaborate, and also exchange some ideas. Thank you so much again for watching the video. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.